I mean, I say from I hear the voice, I don't know a King Breezy, the Rich Badness boss, I represent with Just Vibes Radio. Fully Rich Badness.
When you talk about reggae these days, first person come to mind, Koffee. And if Shanna the first person come to mind, your second person or the second person come to your mind, I have to be Koffee. So the official list of nominees that are nominated for the upcoming Grammy Award has announced, and what you know, a whole heap of Jamaica did kinda eager to know who get nominated, if them favorite get nominated, and who them think are go win. It's surprisingly to a lot of persons that Koffee never get nominated. Before we even jump into this now, make me just first list the nominees for best reggae album for this Grammy. We have Upside Down 2020 by Buju Banton, really upside down, eh? Higher Place by Skip Marley. It All Comes Back to Love by Maxi Priest. Got to Be Tough by Toots and the Maytals. One World by the Wailers. Which really and truly, all of these nominees are nominated albums are quality albums. Don't get me wrong, quality albums. We not debate the fact, say them are quality and them have some good music within the album them. Now my viewers, subscribers, a whole heap of people did still I wonder where Koffee they like Koffee not do none 2020 if you get nominated for at least some for reggae. Remember, you know, Koffee won the category for last year, which was well deserved. Me nah lie, Rapture, yo, Koffee got all out last year. All out. So she deserved that. She deserved it. Now, me I go answer the question what whole heap of people have. You get me? A whole heap of people I wonder, yo, how she never at least get nominated, right? My viewers, subscribers, Koffee no drop no album this year, right? Koffee no drop no album this year. Even though she put out some good music, Pressure was one that me like. Me love Pressure. You get me? She do a whole heap of good music. We saw where this year was also her year because she just get a big deal with Jordan, which a whole heap of local artists now go ever live to strike them deal. So it's argued that this is one of her best year. We saw earlier where she and Apple Music they are going a whole heap of things. You get me? So whole heap of things that actually are going for whole heap of things are going for Koffee right now. It's just that she never have nothing where would actually get nominated for actually get nominated for the reggae category. Like we don't see them album here, which arguably them deserve to get nominated. Koffee on the other hand never really have nothing like that for actually say you wanna it earned a spot in the nomination. No. However, she did release a whole heap of music. People probably will say but she released Lockdown, she released Pressure, she do some with international artists. Yeah, but that not give you or that not earn you a spot in the nomination for a reggae category. As I can see right there, so all of them there where you see a album for 2020 album. And oh yeah, my viewers, subscribers, me they think Vybz Kartel not get nominated to, you know, cause Dance Up Divas on several occasions it was, well, I quote, stated that it was a Grammy winning album. But we know what the reggae thing go, even though it's still categorized as reggae, people will say it's a dancehall album. But no, if you go up on iTunes and one of them music platform they are outlet, it is under the reggae category. But too bad it never make it comparing to the other album them. Now my people, who me believe I was the favorite for win it, I feel like Skip Marley are going to win it. I feel like Skip Marley are the favorite for win the reggae album. But let's see how it turns out, my viewers, subscribers. That's just who me think I will win it. But Koffee will come to talk about. You see it, and me just didn't want to know as to the reason why perhaps Koffee never get nominated for the category. Because people did say you bias and Koffee for dead because a whole thing are going for Koffee. Koffee get whole heap of deals. Koffee the here, so Koffee the pan Apple Music a promote and a whole heap of things. Yeah, we understand the fact say a whole heap of things are going for Koffee. Don't get me wrong, my viewers, subscribers, and as me say, right now, when you talk about reggae, right now, right now, I wanna talk about back then, that difference. When I put that tonight, that's a different thing. That's that way. We are talking about right now. Koffee are the first person come to mind. As me say, if she not the first person come to mind, she the second person come to mind. Because Bob Marley got always be the first person come to mind. Even though me I say no generation, no me attack. You get me? But me know what she know in herself. Say watch me never put in the work like I'm put in last year with the right here. So she not feeling way. Because really and truly, even though an award at that level, international level, is actually a it is actually something where a whole heap of artists would want. And not only international artists, but me can tell you a local artists that love to have one that under them belt. We see a few local artists like Beenie Man have one. You see it a whole heap of few artists locally. Well, a few, not a whole heap, a few have one of them awarded. So me know how it feel, but really and truly, Coffee have some bigger things on our plate. Bigger fish on our, well, not fish. Why? Bigger things I deal with right now, because this Jordan deal was a strike with Jordan. I don't know nothing normal. As me say, a lot of these local artists can only dream to actually get a deal like that. If them can barely get a honey bun deal, then or them might get a Jordan deal. Jordan deal, you know, my viewers, subscribers, I don't know, normal piece of food she a collect, you know, annually, you know, just for endorsement alone, you know. So look on the bigger picture, you get me? But my viewers, subscribers, me need to know what you think about. And if you follow up reggae, we know a whole lot of people don't really follow up reggae, but me follow up reggae, me love reggae. And dancehall is still classified as reggae, you get me? So me need to know what a whole heap of people want to think Coffee should still get nominated for the category. Comment in the comment section below, man. Until next time, Just Vibes Radio, I'm out. If you made it this far, respect for watching my video. If you haven't subscribed as yet, please do so now. And also here are some suggestions. What good?